Okay, Judge, YouTube is on.
Okay, we have YouTube on. We're waiting to see if we can get the
Oh, ADA, okay.
not only the ADA, but we need to get the client on another breakout room. I wasn't exactly sure what.
I'll go back in and see if I can, unless he's still in there yet.
She's, I think he's talking to, okay, never mind. He was talking to Valverde. I'll move him.
Okay,
Yeah.
I have Mr. Bosquez on my screen now.
Sure, go, Judge.
Okay,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Bosquez,
Yes, sir.
can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Judge ADA Lopez is still in breakout room 6.
Oh, sorry. Well, 1 minute, Mr. Bosquez. Got to wait for the assistant DA. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Come on, Santos.
And Ms. Lopez is still talking to Mr. Martinez.
Didn't you? Smart.
Mr. Boscus,
Yes.
do you know how to press the space bar on the keyboard?
There's no space board here.
Okay,
36 years old.
Okay.
it's just so you can hold it down
Those
so it'll
keyboard
mute you
times
while the
like
judge
that.
is talking.
I don't think he's at a computer where there is a space bar
Yes.
necessarily.
Santos.
Okay.
Everything I've had to do this morning, I had to go through the
Yes,
judge.
sir.
We'll
Okay,
just struggle as best we can.
Okay,
It's all through.
Bosquez, I'm going to try and share my screen with you. Let me see if this
Yes,
works.
sir.
Okay.
Been
Do you
incarcerated
see the screen,
since
sir?
March 12th.
Yes, I do.
Ohio.
Is your name Saul Bosquez?
So I
Yes,
was
sir.
incarcerated
Will you
for
say Saul Bosquez
47
from this
days in
card number
Ohio. And
2025 CR
once,
006582, who's charged with the offense of
I
criminal
signed
trespass.
the
Is that you?
indictment March
Correct.
19th.
Yes.
The state
Okay,
of
in this
Texas
case,
to
it's a
come
class
pick
B
me up, but
misdemeanor. It's
they waited.
possible in this
I guess
case
60 days
it can be punished
to come
anywhere
pick
from a
me
minimum
up,
of
and
0
then they
days in
finally
jail
picked
up to
me up.
6
So
months
I've
in
been
jail.
incarcerated
In
over
addition, there's a
here
fine from $0 to
for
$2,000.
3 weeks.
Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a
No,
document
sir, I
that
haven't
defendants
used drugs
sent
and
to me by
alcohol since
video
you put me on
that you
probation or
signed and that
anything.
your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document
Yes, I am.
titled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed
Yes,
it.
sir.
Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
34.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this, and so is your attorney. When you signed this
No, sir.
document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I
Yes, sir.
understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead?
Yes,
Guilty,
sir.
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on.
Yes, sir.
You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain, that's what Laura got for you. Besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to enter that?
No, sir.
You're doing this plea of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Judge, we're asking for a $0 fine, court cost. I believe it's 45 days in the Bexar County Jail. credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the defendant has 28 actual days.
And Judge, yes, he has 28 actual days, which is really
I'll
only
judgment
2.
stat it.
Thank you, Judge.
Kramer. Do you agree to this, Mr. Bosquez?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Bosquez, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I filed a plea
Yes.
bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 45 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Kramer?
Yes.
It is, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, all right?
Yes, sir.
Tell the deputies that we are finished with your case, and Ms. Kramer, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Okay,
Judge,
yes.
page 1, Roy Cardenas. Victoria, is that one being dismissed?
See which one that was. Yes,
was
that one I
Sutton.
submitted. Yeah, I
I
sent the
think-
dismissal to
I
Judge.
think
He
I'm
should have it in
done.
Adobe Sign.
Okay,
I
so
think
Mr.
I'm done.
Martinez can be excused if he hadn't already excused
Did they say
himself.
you were done?
Yes, he left, Judge, so.
Your Honor, am I done?
You're done, Bosquez.
Yes, you're done. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right, thank you, sir.
And let me go look at my screen for that dismissal. Hold on. I'm looking for a dismissal. Okay.
Scott Martinez should have made.
Okay, I'm signing the dismissal on Mr. Cardenas.
No, on the first at the bottom.
To say, Your Honor, I need to make an announcement.
I don't have one.
Judge, Attorney Barron's is breakout room.
Uh-huh.
His client is the second one on page 1.
Do you have a Bravo from Sosa? Sosa,
Yeah, she's
that'll be
here.
mine.
Hold on, just let me finish signing
What's
this.
your last name, Lily?
Please. Ah, come on.
She's fine. She's fine. Oh.
Okay, I've just signed the
I'm gonna
dismissal.
bring
of
one big
Cardenas.
pizza to that time so I can bring the JBCRs.
Okay, so now what am I doing? Excuse me.
I think Attorney Barron's logged off.
Okay,
Never mind, Judge.
and never mind. Okay, never mind, Canales. So what are we doing? What am I doing? Who are you? What am I? Who am I? What am I doing?
You're Necio Canales.
Hey, hey, hey.
Judge, we're still doing the pleas for the ones in the annex, correct, or no?
Don't ask me. I'm only the judge.
Oh,
I have
sorry.
no idea what
Yes, we are.
Oh, okay, thank you.
okay, so
Victoria Lopez,
Yes.
I'm sorry. What happened to, oh, never mind. She's calling me now. Gail Calderola.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we asked for a reset, I think, in one of the emails this morning. Because we're waiting on complainant contact.
okay, so stay not ready on that one.
Yes, Judge.
That's Donna Alvarado.
Yes, Judge. Yes.
Okay, stay not ready. Okay. Okay, we'll give Ms. Calderola the good news on that one.
Victoria, I'm sorry. The case is being reset.
Yes, we are state not ready. We're waiting on to make contact with the complaining witness.
Okay, so is next Wednesday good?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay.
Deborah, can we send her back or do you still want to hear?
I don't see why we need her if it's gonna get set or reset for,
Problem. Yeah, send her back, Alex.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so as far as my docket is concerned, we only have 2 cases left. Adolfo Orozco with Forrest Good and Peter Robitale with Mr. Swerk. Is there something I'm missing? And there usually is.
No, Judge, that's it.
Okay,
And I emailed Forrest Good.
I think I missed what happened to Trey Sherman, the second from the last. What happened to that one?
what page are we on? What?
Page 3, second from the bottom.
Page 3, second from the bottom. Sherman. He's in Harris County.
Oh, thank you.
So, Mr. Schwartz, what's going on with your guy?
We should be ready, Judge.
Let me look at my screen to see if I have his paperwork.
Well, I hope that paperwork went through.
Let's see, I'm looking. His name is Robitali. Come on, Canales. Okay, I'm not seeing any paperwork on Robitali. Wait a minute, I do see it now. Wait a minute, I see it. I misspoke. I saw it. Got it now. Okay, so then, where's Mr. Robitali? Right there.
That's Peter right there.
Mr. Robitali. Okay, let me wait for him to put on his headset. Mr. Robitali, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Is your name Peter Robitali?
Yes.
Are you the same Peter Robitali who in this cause number 20?
Yeah.
Hold on, sir. Are you the same Peter Robitali who in this cause number 2025CC 005699, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of criminal trespass of a habitation? Is that you?
Yes.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Yes.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did he explain it to you?
Yes.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass of a habitation, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Judge, we're asking for a $0 fine, court cost, 17 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'm sorry, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the defendant has 17 actual days.
I will judgment saddle, Mr. Sport.
Thank you, Judge.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Robitali?
Yes.
And Mr. Robitali, the court, having heard you plead guilty, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to, I'm sorry, I can't read my writing now. Is that 30 days? 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Swart?
This is it, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, all right? Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case, and Mr. Swart, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Take care, Peter, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take your headphones off and tell the deputies that you're finished, all right?
Judge, and your PR bonds are on the way from the annex to the court with Alvarado or Danny.
Okay, what happened on, we got one more, Mr. Orozco. Did we ever get Mr. Good, Debbie?
Not yet, Judge.
Okay, all right.
Okay, there you go. Just take that stairwell down, okay?
Victoria Lopez, is there on goods cases, are they gonna be JSAT or
Yes,
anything?
There was
Okay.
gonna be 2 JSATs and a TIC.
Okay, thank you.
Can we assign someone else or is he hired?
He's appointed.
He's appointed.
Uh,
Do you want to do the bonds, Judge, and then
yeah, let me go over the bonds, okay?
I'm sorry, let me get,
Let's get
I'm
pre-trial.
gonna get pre-trial on.
Deborah,
Yes,
so I don't know if Angie told you that I talked to Morales and they're dropping off the annex people right now in the Sally Port. So they should be on the way to you right now.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, sorry about that. Daniel's on the way to go grab him from the booking area right now.
Okay.
Meanwhile, we do have the guys from the main jail.
Okay, I'm waiting for pre-trial. I need to go with the docket with pre-trial before I start calling these guys up, okay? Just give me a
She's
minute.
logging in, Judge.
Okay,
Okay, so just again.
oh, and we can take us off YouTube right now, Debbie, now.
Okay.
But you're